My name is Susan Hess, and my company is Carter CPA, PA. We are a CPA firm, and we focus on trusts and estates, high wealth individuals, and individuals with complex tax returns. We heard about Kustura through just some online searches. They seemed very knowledgeable, very thorough, very experienced, and we liked the way that they operated. Their business model was relationship-based, which is how our company is. So we liked that, and we just felt synergy with them. They take care of whatever we need, so it gave us a real peace of mind. Kustura goes above and beyond quite often for us because as a CPA firm, it is extremely important that we have good security and that our systems and operations are up and going, especially during tax season. We cannot have any downtime during tax season, and they are always on point with anything that we need during that time. Their technicians are very responsive and very knowledgeable. They take care of anything and everything that we need. And so when you call, whether it's something big or something small, they take care of it. And it is important to them because the client is important to them. And so you feel like you have a relationship with them and you get to know the technicians and you know that they're there for you. They're really an extension of your team. If someone asked me if they should do business with Kustura Technologies, I would say absolutely, no hesitation.